If you're like me, chances are you've got a few of these 5-gallon buckets in your workshop or garage that you use for storage. Well, here's an idea you may not have thought of, using a bucket like this for storing and carrying around your extension cord. But it's not just that, it's also a good way to use the cord. What I did is I took a drill with a 1.5-inch diameter hole saw, and I drilled a hole, as you can see here, right near the bottom of the bucket. What that allows me to do is take the male end of the cord and feed it through the hole. Just pull out maybe 2 or 3 inches, and then I can dump in the rest of the cord. Now when you can bring it to the job site, plug this in, and then pull out the cord and use it. Now you can see here that this is a 50-foot cord, and there's still plenty of room to put in some hand tools and even a power tool. But it's really important to remember when you're using this, don't leave the cord all coiled up inside because it can build up heat. But if you pull it out and then put it back when you're done, you just unplug the cord and take it with you onto the next job site.